the ignition. Run your mouth, but I never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, look how different I look with this shade of pink hair. I'm low-key obsessed, even though when they were drying it, I freaked out and then I became obsessed like literally 10 minutes later. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a Princess Polly haul today. I know how much you guys love my clothing hauls. So they have given me a 20% off discount code again for you guys. I'll leave it down below, but it's Summer Jazz in capital letters, and that'll get you 20% off site-wide. I'll definitely have to say this haul is more like summer inspired. There's lots of nice cute crops, some denim. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. Again, I will leave everything that I mentioned as well as the links and the sizes that I am in the description box down below if you guys wanna shop my looks. And let's get started. So the first jumpsuit I picked was this gorgeous beige one. I have so many of these in my wardrobe just because they're just so easy to put on and they're just so comfortable. I love the color of this. I ended up getting a size 10 in this one. I also did get a white version as well. However, this one's more like a ribbed, like a thick ribbed material, whereas this one's more of like a light breathable material. I just love this. There's not really much else to say. It's just a really nice loose fitted play suit with buttons down the center. You can obviously do all the buttons up if you want, but I kind of like the look of an open. Even that's really cute. Like I said, you could wear it over the top of bikinis and wear it to the beach. But yeah, I absolutely love this play suit. Oh my god, guys, I love this bodysuit. How nice is it? I'm just putting on these denim shorts. They're a bit longer, which I love, and they're the same asymmetrical style as the long jeans that I also really love from Princess Polly as well. So hopefully they fit as good as those. Oh yes. Oh, I love these. Okay, so you never want to buy denim that's already kind of like a loose fit. I'm not going to do that up, but look at the fit of these. These are amazing. Oh my god. I'm not sure if I would actually wear it with this. Oh, I mean, you could. They fit my waist really well as my legs. I always struggle to find jeans that fit me around the waist because obviously my waist is a lot smaller than my legs because I don't have the skinniest legs in the world. I have no words for these. Like, surely you get them. These ones are in a size 10. I think I remember when I was ordering the asymmetrical long version of these, I'm not sure if they're like the exact same cut, but they did recommend to go a size down. So I ended up getting an 8 in them and they fit me like this. However, these are a 10. So definitely shop your true size in this. Okay, and then this is the top. Love, it's quite sheer. Like, obviously you're not gonna be able to see, but like the bottom of it's quite sheer. But obviously you would wear it with some pants or a skirt. I just love this like upside down bikini style. And then you can obviously do it up here and then do it as tight as you want or as loose as you want at the back. I ended up getting this one also in a size 10 just because I was a bit scared if I got the 8, it wouldn't actually fit my boob. So this one, absolutely perfect size. It fits me really nicely. Low key. Dying over this outfit. This is definitely my favorite so far. Okay, so I was gonna get sunnies similar to this that were on the website because I don't know, I just envisioned this outfit with like square, clear, beige sunnies. They're currently out of stock on the website. They're just a little bit smaller than this, but this top is my favorite top. Like, honestly, in my collection, I love this. So yeah, this top is just incredible. It gives me like vintage vibes, although this material is actually quite sheer. So I'm actually wearing silicone nipple covers and you can't even notice that I have them on. I just am obsessed. So I decided to pair them with these trousers, which I absolutely love as well. And they're honestly like the perfect fit for my figure. So they fit me around the waist perfectly. It's not too tight. They're not too loose and they've got enough room around the legs as well. I'll pull you down even more, but I ended up getting a size 8 in the top and the 10 in the bottoms. So this is the trousers bottom. Be right back. Anyway, can you guys see the bottom of these? I also need to show you guys these shoes too. Oh my God, I'm actually obsessed. And I love that the heel on this isn't like high. So these are super, super low, but like they're so classy and elegant and like so simple, but like sophisticated at the same time. Like they just would go with absolutely anything. Like I feel like I need these in like all black as well. Okay, so I also got this to wear as like a little throwover. I don't know, it looked really cute on the model, and I think she was wearing it sort of like this as well. Maybe not with this particular outfit, but maybe like a more basic tee or even like a crop. Not a tee, just a basic crop. But like this is how she was styling it, and I really, really liked it. Okay, yes, yes, yes. This crop and these with this. Bye. But how cute is this crop? When I first put it on, it was like down to here because you can like adjust it. So even if you did want to wear it a bit longer, you could, or you could go all the way up. I love this so much. I'm literally going to a tropical island in January, and like I can just picture myself wearing this. I am obsessed like with those sandals. Bye. I feel like this Princess Polly haul is definitely my favorite so far. It's just, I just love all of the pieces and like the current trends at the moment. Okay, next top I got, oh my God, it's so cute. I must say, I feel like if you have a bigger bust than me, unfortunately, I don't think this is the top for you, and I'm just being completely honest. It doesn't really have that much room for your boob to sit in. Like I feel like if your boobs were bigger than mine, like there's not much room because it's like corset-y type here. If you've got smaller boobs, this top would look amazing on you. But anyways, it is so flattering and nice, and it just does up with 3 like little buttons, actually no, 4 buttons at the back. It feels like quite like supportive. It doesn't feel like my boobs are gonna like move out of this area. But yeah, like I said, if you have a bigger bust, yeah, just be mindful of that. They do have like a little, like a clear sort of like grippy film for here, so it kind of like stays up. But yeah, it's like not the type of top that you would wear a bra with, because like there's not really that much room here for a bra to go underneath, if that makes sense. Okay, I just tried on these bike pants. Oh my God. They actually fit so, so nice. So they're like a thick ribbed bike pant. I think I ended up getting medium to large. Yeah, no. Yeah, medium to large, because I don't like when like bike pants especially are super, super tight, but these just fit really, really nice. Like they are like quite giving, but I wouldn't want it any smaller just because I wouldn't feel comfortable. I like when clothes just kind of sit on you really nice and not dig in. So this size on me is stunning. I absolutely love these. And now I'm just trying to think what tops I could pair with it. I mean, you could literally even, that first top that I was wearing, like this basic white crop, would look really cute. I'm gonna try this on with it. I literally love this. I've got something really similar to this, but it's just not this kind of fabric here. So I'm gonna try this on with the bike pants, but I think this with slides, like brown slides, would look so cool. Oh, I've been looking for a top with this sort of material because I hate things that are tight. I've got a top like this in a 10, and because it zips up at the back, it's not like, it's still really, really nice, but it's just not as comfortable as I would like in tops. But this has like that stretchy sort of band, and it's not tight at all. Like it's not, oh my God, I love it. Like I think this is even like a stretchy, okay, this isn't, but it's just like everything's stretchy. Like I feel like this top would look really good on every single body type. So I ended up getting this one in a size 10. So glad that I did, because I just love the fit of this. This sort of top would go with absolutely everything. I like that this isn't like super, super cropped. Like you could even wear this with high-waisted jeans or a high-waisted skirt. So it can go up to there, so you're like meeting up with the top. Or if you prefer something a little bit like lower waisted, totally do that. But like the length of this is perfect. I feel like the other top that I have is like this, and it just goes under the boob. I understand that for some people, crops aren't, you know, everyone's cup of tea. So this is really perfect because it's got that added like bit of material. I need a moment. Okay, next two pieces I got another top similar to the beige one because I don't know, I just love this style at the moment. So it's that really sheer material. I still do have the nipple covers on, and I feel like if I didn't, it'd probably be see-through, but I just love this. It's super fun, perfect for summer, just to pair with literally anything. I'm not really much of a skirt type of girl. Like I'm always in like trouser pants or like shorts. I'm never really much of a skirt person, but I saw this one on the website and I just thought this would be super flattering on. Probably should have gone a size 8 just for a more fitted look because this is quite loose on me. It's very stretchy as you can see, but like I would say it is true to size. Like I feel like it does fit like a 10, but if you did want like a more like compressive look, which I feel like would still be flattering because it's like ruched here. This one's in a size 10. It fits really nice, like it's a really comfortable fit. Looks like that. You could literally wear any sort of top with this skirt. Absolutely any of the tops that I even showed in this haul. Even this top looks cute with it as well. Oh my God, love, love, love this one. This is the last jumpsuit that I picked out. It's definitely a lot more of a thicker material. Like it's like a really, like, it feels like a really good quality, thick knitted material. I just love wearing these. When I just don't know what to wear, I'm like, okay, if it's hot outside, I'm just chucking one of these on because they're just so quick and easy and they look super cute and you can style them in so many different ways. This one in a size small to medium because I like the look of like a oversized kind of fit, just like a really comfy fit. But yeah, so that is everything that I picked out today from Princess Polly. Don't forget that I do have a 20% off discount code, which I'll leave on the screen and down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon. Bye.